we're super excited. We're headed towards Hilton Head, South Carolina, and we'll be staying at a marina over there. And I just wanted to show you, we just got some Chick-fil-A and for him, and then I got some smoothie can.
Alright, so here's where we're going to be staying for the night.
Super funny, this little guy. Can't believe I'm doing this. We're almost here. We're super excited. Let me show you the view. We are almost here. Welcome to South Carolina. We just got here to Hilton Head and we're here in the marina. As you can see, we'll be staying in one of these boats over here, and I'm about to show you. We just Oh my goodness. First time in a boat. We are here inside the boat and we've never been inside a boat before, so we're super excited and we'll give you the tour in just a minute.
Alright, so here's where we're going to be staying for the night. She is called the Last Mango. Really charming boat. Here we're going to step into the cockpit. Here we have the helm. Little barbecue back there. Here we're going into the saloon or salon. To the left we have a little galley. No oven though. Sink, fridge, a little toaster. To the right we have a microwave, coffee maker. Two little sofas, I guess sleeps two more. So back around, better view. So there's also a TV on the wall. Better air conditioning. Thank you for that. Let's go into the cabin. Alright,
Hey!
That is doing a little freak cleaning. So we have the one and only berth. Some storage down there. Little sink. Brush your teeth. And the toilet.
Alright, so I want to show you the toilet situation here. So basically there's a little trash here. We're not supposed to throw any kind of material in there, any paper, anything, nothing at all. Or we'll get fined. Alright, so you open this, you do your business, and then after you're done, you're supposed to pull this like that, and then everything just goes away.
So what do you think?
I love it. It's small, but I love it. I've never been to a boat before with you know, like a bed and stuff like that, so I'm really excited. Crab cakes. How's everything looking? Creme brulee. Qué rico.
We're riding a bicycle. Addie hasn't ridden a bike since she was maybe a small little girl. And look at her now. It took us like a straight 10 minutes of me trying to reteach her. Don't fall.
Guys,
Go, dale.
I'm so nervous. I can't believe I'm doing this by myself. I just learned how to ride a bike, and I'm 24.
Just keep pedaling. Dale, pedal. There you go. There. Start. There you go. There.
You guys, look at this amazing view. And we're just going to the restroom. Look at this view. So pretty. Super nice. That's my husband. We're currently looking for the restroom. Oh, so pretty.
So in case you haven't noticed by how sweaty I am, we spent probably the last hour and a half looking for a restroom with a shower in it, and we finally found one, and it has a shower. So now we gotta ride back to the boat, get our clothes, towels, and take a shower. Man, what an adventure. And we're actually right next to the pool, which we're probably not gonna get in.
So we're going back to the boat to get some of our clothes because we're gonna take a shower. Finally, we're super tired. We rode the bike the whole day. We were walking the whole day and just exploring different parts of the marina. We're exhausted. So I'll see you in a bit.
So we spent like 2 hours looking for a restroom, and we finally found one. So we came back, get our clothes, and by the time we got out of the boat to go take a shower, when we got there, they had locked the bathrooms. So no shower tonight.
It's almost 12 a.m. and we haven't showered. We've been sweating the whole day, riding the bike, walking around in this like super heat, 90 degrees. We feel so sticky and gross, and I cannot believe I can't shower tonight. So we're gonna have to improvise
with some baby wipes. So since we can't shower, we're gonna use wipes, and this is how we're cleaning our feet.
Can't believe I'm doing this, but you gotta improvise. Huh? Alright, let's try the bed. Oh, I can't get up. The fan is on, but the thing is that I don't see any lights. The fan is on, but it's just like super hot in here, and the fan doesn't even like work properly. I mean, the bed is comfortable. It is, not gonna lie, but there's no light. And it's super hot in here. Well guys, we have decided that we're gonna sleep on the couch because it's much better here. The air feels fresh, and inside there super hot, and there's not really a light in there, even though we're gonna sleep, but it's super hot and we don't feel comfortable sleeping in that bed inside that we showed you before. So the AC basically it's right next to us. You can see it's right here, and that way we can sleep a little better. Also, as you can see my feet, there's much more space than in the bed area. So I guess like this sitting area is much wider. That way we can have more space for Yosley's feet and my feet, so we both fit in this couch, and it's actually really comfortable. And then we're just saving this couch to put random stuff. As you can see there's a bunch of stuff.